What's new around Seaport Village as we navigate through the pandemic in 2021? Find out next on Jaycation. What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome back to another video here in the San Diego series. Today, I am here covering Seaport Village, one of the most iconic tourist spots in all of San Diego, here in downtown, overlooking San Diego Bay. Now, you've seen me here in Seaport Village in the past, whether it's a hidden gems video or a travel guide, but I want to cover what's going on here in the year 2021 as we navigate through the pandemic and hit this new normal. Today, we're gonna hit up the newest spots around Seaport Village. I actually have two $25 gift card giveaways to give you Jaycationers at the very end of this video, but stay tuned, take notes, because I'm gonna ask you two questions at the end, and two lucky winners will have a $25 gift card for the next time they visit Seaport Village. You just gotta be subscribed to Seaport Village on YouTube and Jaycation as well. Answer the right question and you may be the lucky winner of the $25 gift card. So stay tuned. One of my personal favorite spots around Seaport Village is this mural right next to Hot Licks, which is a hot sauce spot that's been here for years. We're gonna actually go inside and maybe pick up a hot sauce bottle or two. And they have hundreds of versions of hot sauce, so maybe we'll pick up a bottle of hot sauce here. So look at all the different types of Hot Licks they have. They have jalapeno, serrano, extra hot sauce, chipotle, just all these different types of hot sauce. Look at this, curry karma. They even have a bunch of spices, spicy garlic seasoning, butt rub. Now, one of the San Diego staples when it comes to toy stores is Geppetto's. Now, you'll find Geppetto's all over San Diego, and they do have a location here in Seaport Village. For your kids, they got some classic toys. A lot of cool stuff here. Nice little mural of Pinocchio. A lot of board games as well. Also have a Lego section. And you got your Grogu Monopoly for those of y'all that like Friends. This is just a beautiful store that kids will go crazy seeing things left and right. If you want to reward your kid with some toys, check out Geppetto's. Comment below, what board games did you play growing up? I love the game of life. Also over here at Geppetto's is that they can help you pick out gifts for kids. They know all the developmental stages of a kid, and they can really help you out, pick up something that could also be educational and helpful, but also fun. And they also do Easter baskets and complimentary gift wrapping. They're all over San Diego, 9 different locations. So like I said, they gave me a $50 gift card to spend today here in Seaport Village. 2 of you will have a chance of winning a $25 gift card.
Shout out to my man Jaycation to his channel, man. This is the best place to be in sunny San Diego, man. One love, peace and love.
Hi, Jaycationers. So this is only day 2 of the brand new Hess being open here in Seaport Village. It's right next to Mr. Moto's Pizza, and we're sitting here overlooking San Diego Bay. We just got a beautiful flight, and what's great about these flights, they're only 16 bucks. Get 5 different tasters, and then they give you this chip. This chip is for you to claim one of the glasses over in the inside after you're done with your flight. They give you the names of your beers so you don't forget, 1 to 5. So the first beer is a Steel Beach, and I believe this is a lager. Definitely very crisp. Oh, that's me. How you doing?
We love Jaycation. Shay loves Jay.
We're gonna try beer number 2. This is the Calypso Twist. It's a little hazier. This is their wheat beer, I believe. Really good. Number 3 is the MOV Raspberry Sour. So cheers, let's see how sour it is. Oh, this is good. This is like a nerd's candy beer. This is my favorite so far. Hess did it again. Shout out. MOV Raspberry. You guys gotta try that. And the 4th beer is one of my favorite beers here, and I usually go over to the Miramar location to pick up a 6-pack, and this is their Hop Cloud Hazy IPA. I really like the tones in this. It's a really great hazy IPA. You can definitely taste the hops here, and it's got a great aroma to it. And finally, you got the Vietnamese Coffee Stout. Now this is like a 12.5%er, so this is gonna hit you hard. So save this till the end. Oh yeah, definitely got that Vietnamese coffee note with it. Yeah, drink this slowly, or just walk around a couple times here in Seaport Village, because this will get to you. All right, Jaycationers, are you finding value in this video? I'd really appreciate it if you are to hit the like button. It really helps distribute this video throughout YouTube. Also, make sure to subscribe to Seaport Village's YouTube channel and Jaycation, as I will be doing a giveaway at the very end of this video. So make sure you're taking notes and you're subscribed to us so that you can win a $25 gift card. I'm giving away 2 $25 gift cards. Stay tuned. All done with the flight. We're gonna claim our glass now. I'll go with the grapefruit sauce one. That's for you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Another awesome place to check out while here in Seaport Village is Mr. Moto Pizza. Now you can pick up pizza by the slice over here and sit down and just look at the beautiful views of all the great Navy ships around San Diego Bay. The USS Midway is just across the street, and this beautiful Fisherman's Pier is right here, which is a great pier to check out on Saturdays because they have a fish market right on the pier. Alright, Jaycationers, next on the list is Seaport Fudge Factory. Now after you maybe just had Mr. Moto's Pizza or Eats by Sam, you can come over here and have some frozen hot chocolate maybe, or a cappuccino for a little pick-me-up, or even try some of their soft serve ice cream. Kids would love this place. There's a lot of great stuff, a lot of great desserts over here, and it's also right next to the iconic Ben & Jerry's. Now there are actually 2 Ben & Jerry's around here, one on this side next to the carousel, but one on the other side that is closer to the Manchester Grand Hyatt. Ben & Jerry's has always been a staple here. Shout out to Cherry Garcia. Seaport Fudge Factory, come here, the kids will love it. Chocolate, 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 that's the place to be. Another great place to check out here in Seaport Village is the sports headquarters. Now, if you're a tourist from out of town, don't fret, because they have an assortment of teams from all over the US, and if you're a soccer fan, all over the world. Another place that I grew up seeing is this funny Caricatures place where you can sit down and get your little caricature taken. Now they have pictures of like Tiger Woods, Penn and Teller, Ellen DeGeneres. They do a pretty good job with caricatures here. Another thing you can do here that's very touristy is get on one of those Old Town trolley tours, and they pick you up right around this area, right in front of the Manchester Hyatt where Seaport Village meets it. If you happen to be staying over here in downtown San Diego, especially at the Manchester Grand Hyatt or the Marriott Marina, Spill the Beans is a great place to hit up in the morning for some coffee and some bagels. You can't miss it. It's got this beautiful lighthouse, and you can actually go over to the patio right behind me and just look at the docks at San Diego Bay and watch all the yachts and boats pass through. And they also do have some pretty great coffee. Ever since I've had that beer, I don't know if I should mix beer with coffee, so we're gonna skip that. Another great spot to check out while here at Seaport Village is Eats by Sam. Now, Eats by Sam is ran by YouTuber Sam the Cooking Guy, who's got millions of subscribers, and he's got a ton of restaurants because he's a San Diego local. So he's got restaurants here in downtown San Diego, Little Italy, and all over the place. Sam is a great dude, and of course, you know, he wouldn't be a YouTube personality if he wasn't promoting himself. Look at this giant beach chair that I'm sitting on with his face plastered right here. Shout out to Sam the Cooking Guy. Hopefully one of these days we can collab. And I also saw one of the golf carts that they probably take to his locations in Little Italy over by the Piazza di Familia. So what you can do over here at Eats by Sam is you order through the computer, and you're basically not having any human interaction besides when they bring you the food. You order the food, and then you'll get a notification that it's ready, and then you just pick it up front and you're ready to go. No human interaction, no waiter service, but you know what? In this pandemic, it's a great way to go. It's what you call a ghost kitchen. Another thing that I really love about Seaport Village is the Embarcadero Marina Park is right in the middle of it. And it's a really nice walk where you can enjoy walking around San Diego Bay. And sometimes you'll even see some classic cars around Embarcadero Marina Park. Another thing that I really love about Seaport Village is that they make adjustments to the times, and this used to just be shrubs. And they turned this into like a little beach with some beach chairs and umbrellas where people can just sit down and look at the San Diego Bay and enjoy all the boats coming around. And it's right next to a place that I grew up seeing, and this is Kite Flight. Kite Flight is a really classic spot here in Seaport Village.
Come on over and let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune.
Remember the movie Big? We have Zoltar here to grant you a wish. Another thing that I love is this flag shop. Now they have a Slam Diego Padres flag. Will this be the item or the items that I purchased with the $50 gift card? Stay tuned until the end of the video to see if I ended up getting this, or maybe a Tatis flag, or another Padres flag, or maybe Lakers. We'll see. Stay tuned. Will it be this Tatis flag? Yeah, Kobe and Gigi shirt. RIP Cobes. Jay, California. At the Best of San Diego. They have a ton of San Diego tees, mini license plates with your name on it. If you're into that type of souvenir, check it out. And look at this, a Friends hoodie that says San Diego. I've been in a Christmas store around San Diego in my Hidden Gems video, but not this one. If you want to check it out, it's right here next to Sports Headquarters. Another classic date spot is the Edgewater Grill. If you want to wine and dine your significant other, this is a great place to watch the sunset or spend the night and have some great food. This is the Village Hat Shop. Maybe I'll pick up a hat. What do you guys think? Should I pick up a Bruno Mars hat? The next place we're covering is a Jaycation favorite, and it is the Something Sweet Shop. It is owned by husband and wife, Christian and Gina, and they are amazing. They are local San Diegans and fellow SDSU Aztecs. You've seen this on Jaycation before. It is one of the greatest candy shops here. You can also pick up the Manapono hats at this store, and there are some unique candies around here, whether it's Mexican candy or your classic favorites like Nerds, Airheads, and Kit Kats, and they even have sodas. This is one of my favorite spots in all of San Diego to check out, and especially if you have kids. The Something Sweet Shop is very local San Diego. It's one of the places that I support the most because I feel the best vibes around here, and they are just awesome. So let's go inside and check out the Something Sweet Shop. And check this out, guys. There's a penny press here, and they have the Coronado Bridge, Seaport Village, San Diego Bay. You can get Hot Wheels and all the classic candies over here. Guys, they have tons of sodas and even ice cream here. Check this out. This is Gina's creations right here. You can frame these. These are beautiful. Come here and check out all the beautiful artistic creations that Gina makes. Christian, what's up, man?
Nothing, man. Nice to meet you guys. And for some of those guys that have already stopped in, I want to say thank you for all the Jaycationer fans that have come out. And it's turning into a little bit of a Jaycation nation right now. So appreciate all the love and support you guys have been giving over to the business right now.
What are your favorite candies?
Actually, I have a new favorite. Are these chamoy bears? If you like fruity kind of the candy that you usually get with the gummy bears, this is really good, and then you get that spicy kick on the back half of it. These have been really good, and then the belts are like the all-time favorites in the store. So the sour belts tend to run out every single day. We can't make them fast enough for people to come in. And then local shout out to our San Diego homies here who come in with all the hats and beanies that we have in the store. So they dropped off these special edition ones right now. You guys might have seen them in some other videos that Jaycation has that are going to be special for this weekend here, so you guys can pick them up here. Yeah, these are Manapono, and these are pretty popular here too. We'll have the beanies, their new big beanies that they have in too.
You're repping the SD too.
Yeah, man. I was gonna say, so if you guys can't find them online, you guys can always cruise in here and pick them up. We'll always have it in stock here for you guys.
Man.
I was gonna say, if you want to check out some of the new stuff we have in right now too, the popular ones that we have in right now are gonna be the Rick and Morty energy drinks that we have in. We're gonna do a full line of energy drinks that are gonna be at least some newer style. So we'll have like the Flamin' Mo's in a couple of weeks. We're gonna have some My Hero Academia energy drinks, and then we're always gonna have the classics, the Sioux City, the Frosties, and the Spreckers there. So we'll always have that, and then the full assortment of the Jones too. So we'll always have some pretty good sodas in here for you guys.
Well, appreciate it, dude.
No, thank you guys so much, and I appreciate all the support.
I'm trying out the Frosty Vanilla Root Beer. I always get dads over here, so it's time for a different type of root beer. So cheers. Oh, this is amazing, dude. This is like a root beer float. Shout out, man. Shout out. Wow. Tastes like there's ice cream in this.
I was gonna say, if you're gonna make a root beer float, that's the one to do it with.
This is it. Frosty root beer. 2 thumbs up from Jaycation, guys. Cheers. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. Got a Twix ice cream too. So I picked up one of Gina's creations. Stay Sweet San Diego grocery bag, and I got some candies in the inside. Shout out to Christian and Gina at the Something Sweet Shop. They're amazing. Go check them out. All right, Jaycationers, I went with the J license plate. I also got that Tatis flag, and I also got a Padres mask. So I used that as well as a sloth sticker for my $50 gift card. Thanks to Seaport Village for providing that. It was fun shopping around here today. Shout out to Seaport Village for hosting me today, and there are a lot of great things to do right now, whether it's Mike Hess and trying out some beers while overlooking San Diego Bay, or going shopping around the Something Sweet Shop and all the other great places. Checking out places like Eats by Sam, Mr. Moto, and Spill the Beans. So many great spots around Seaport Village, especially when you're visiting. Now, if you guys found value from this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. It helps distribute this video throughout YouTube. And if you haven't subscribed to Jaycation yet, I have plenty of San Diego content all around my library and more San Diego stuff to come. And if you have any suggestions about what you want to see around town, please let me know in the comment section below. If you want to support Jaycation even more in 2021, please check out my Patreon. I have tons of great exclusive content and great extra benefits for people that want to join my Patreon in 2021. If you want to check out the Facebook page, It's Always Sunny in San Diego. We talk about news, recommendations, and ongoings all around San Diego. All right, Jaycationers, so we're here at the Something Sweet Shop. It's time to give away $25 gift cards to 2 winners. You're gonna have to be quick to the gun and get the right answer to begin with. So the first question, the first person to answer it correctly in the comment section below to subscribe to Jaycation and Seaport Village wins a $25 gift card. So here's the question. What are the 5 different beers that I picked up over at Mike Hess? List each beer down below, and if you got it correct, you win the $25 gift card. The second question, I'm gonna randomly select, and this is an easier question. Which soda did I just drink from the Something Sweet Shop? Comment below. I'm gonna put your name in a hat and do a random drawing. Actually, not a hat. I'm just gonna do like a computer generated winner. If you have the right soda, you'll know and you'll be the winner, and I'll DM you and get your address and send you over that $25 gift card from Seaport Village. All right, Jaycationers, we'll see y'all in the next video, and in the words of Ron Burgundy, stay traveling, San Diego. Now, one of the San Diego staples